Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amisha. For those of you who are new, welcome and welcome back. Welcome to another weekly vlog. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday and I'm currently parked. I'm waiting to go to brunch. My friend is running a bit late, and honestly I really hope we could get in there because Atlanta is, oh man. Y'all, we made reservations yesterday. Tell me why the restaurant called today saying that the internet glitched, so we weren't supposed to have those reservations. So you just canceled our reservations. So now we're just like, we're going to try and do a walk-in and see what we can do. But I don't know. My hair is not giving me any definition right now, but the curls are curling, okay? The curls is popping. I got to fix my hair. Let me fix my hair, you guys, and see what's the ETA. And yeah, because I'm starving. I want to eat. You can get it, you can get it. I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this good and then it's song. Alright. You can get it. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. The oxtails and this. And look at this. Y'all see that? On the way to the drag. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. So your girl just got back from getting a bite to eat and I got me a little drinky drink. I told myself I'm gonna stop drinking. It's okay, my New Year starts today. It starts tomorrow, actually tomorrow. Anyway, so I just came from Bar Vegan. I love Bar Vegan. You guys, if you haven't tried it, please go to Bar Vegan. And I just came back from Sephora. I did a little retail therapy, but I actually got some things that I needed. Y'all, I got some things. So do have a little haul coming. I'm so excited to show you guys. But yeah, we have to go to Target. I have to go to Kroger's. I have to go to Walmart. Wow. I have a lot to do. So let's do that. And we definitely have to go to the beauty supply store because it is time to put this hair up. So yeah. This have to be the best and biggest beauty supply store I've ever been to in my life. This shit is so big. And they sell clothes in the back. Y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Look at this. They got everything. Y'all, I'm in another spot. I was craving seafood so bad. And even though I really hate the seafood spots, I seen this juicy crab and I'm like, I have to go. I have to go. Like, I just want seafood so bad. So we're back again, about to eat. And yeah, my skin is flawless. And after this, I gotta get ready for traffic. But I'm sipping a margarita, so cheers. It's not strong, it's a little bit on the sweet side. It's good though. I just got some crawfish, some mussels. I got a snow crab, some eggs, and some corn. I didn't get no potatoes or shrimp. And yeah. And yeah, look at it. It looks so good. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I didn't get to give you guys a little haul yesterday, so that's what we're gonna do. And I have been laughing all morning because I really do look like a Cabbage Patch doll. Like this video is not doing this hair any justice, but it's okay. So let me show you guys what I got from Sephora. I got things that I actually needed. So I just got some foundation, Born This Way, Spice Rum. I actually never tried this color, so we're gonna try it. It looked good on my skin and the lighting in Sephora, so we'll see. I had to re-up on my Miss Dior. They didn't have the bigger version. This is the Blooming Bouquet, y'all. So good. Love the way it smells. And I just had to get a new Mocha Mami. And I also got this lotion from J. Malone. I just love how they do the packaging. Like, look at this. I'm not going to do the complete packaging. You guys will see it. But look at it. It comes in a little box. It comes in a box with the ribbon. Oh, so From Target, I just got some shapewear. We're gonna see how that goes. I just got some shaving cream and some cotton balls. From the beauty supply store, I just got some press-ons because I am tired of looking like this. Y'all, look at my nails. I'm so tired of looking like this. So I got some press-ons, and I don't feel like doing my nails. I don't feel like doing an acrylic set, actually. And I just got some hair because it is time to put this hair in a protector style. That's about it, y'all. I didn't really get much. So that's it for the haul. And now I want to go get some work done. So I was thinking about going to a coffee shop. I wanted to find a black-owned coffee shop because I'm tired of Starbucks. And I personally feel like Dunkin' Donuts tastes better than Starbucks, but I really want neither right now. So I'm going to Google some coffee shops around here and go get some work done. And, yeah. Walmart, and I got some bins, and these are pretty decent for $6 each. So it did say $6 for the gray ones, but it's still 18 gallons, so hopefully it'll be the same price. Yeah.
got a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it.
This is what she looks like so far. So good. Now, normally I let these sit for about 2 days, but I couldn't wait, and I want my salad now, so yeah. So we're gonna make the dressing, and then we're gonna start cooking this.
Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check her, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come on,